Hey y'all, welcome back to the garden. It's a beautiful spring day out here. The sun is shining and I'm so excited to get my hands in the dirt today to plant some spinach. Spinach is a pretty simple spring crop. It's a leafy green and one of the most healthy vegetables that you can eat. Spinach is, I think it's 91% water. Wow. It's packed with all kinds of cool nutrients. I might have to read these. Spinach contains vitamins A, C, K, B, B6, vitamin E, iron, we know that one, folate, and calcium. So many great benefits to eating spinach. Fun fact about spinach that I learned in my research, it originated in Persia and made its way to China in the 7th century when the king of Nepal sent spinach seeds as a gift. The best time to plant spinach is either in the spring or the fall. It's a cool weather crop. You need to check the zone that you're in. So in Tennessee, I'm in zone 7, and you can do this by Googling just to see what's my zone. And on the back of the seed packets, you can usually see something that says, you know, if you're in zone 6, you can plant spinach at this time. So I've picked out my spot in the garden where I want to plant my spinach. I'm going to rake back the leaves that I put there for the winter and see what kind of good soil is waiting beneath. And then I'll aerate the soil with my shovel. You can do this with a tiller as well. And then smooth it over and get it ready to put the seeds in the ground. One trick my dad taught me with planting spinach is to soak your seeds in water overnight. And the reason is because these are some really tough seeds. They have a hard exterior, and soaking them in water overnight just kind of helps loosen them up and get ready to open sooner than later. And you just have more luck with it. So be sure to soak your seeds in water overnight before you plant them. And now we wait. The seeds are in the ground and it should take about 6 to 10 days for them to germinate, which means that tiny little seed turns into a little bitty plant. And I'll probably water every 3 days from here on out unless it rains. I would say it'll be about 6 to 8 weeks before we can harvest the spinach. I love eating spinach. We go through so much spinach in our household. We just have to start growing it. Some of my favorite ways to eat spinach, I love to just saute it in the skillet with olive oil, salt and pepper and garlic. That's delicious. Another fun way is to put it in your smoothies. If you make morning smoothies with berries and greens, I promise you don't taste the spinach. So I know it sounds gross if you've never done it, but you don't even taste it. You just get all the nutritional value from it. And then of course salads. Spinach is always great in salads. I hope you find gardening to be more and more simple every week and find more and more reasons to get out there and give it a shot. Tune in next week for another cool spring vegetable and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the weekly updates. I'll see you next week.